Imagine getting swallowed by a whale and not dying. Imagine getting swallowed by a whale and not dying. This man said no to God and his life fell apart. So there's a prophet named Jonah, and God gave him a very clear mission. God said, "Go to the city Nineveh, tell them to stop doing evil things." But Jonah was afraid. He thought the people of Nineveh will kill him, so he runs away. He jumps on the ship that is going exactly the opposite direction. For example, if God told to go east, he goes west. But then, massive storm hits the sea. The boat is shaking, water is running in, all the sailors are screaming. It's complete chaos. Jonah finally admits, "This is happening because I am running from God." And he tells them, "If you throw me into water, the storm will stop." They didn't want to do it, but to save their life, they throw him. And the moment Jonah hit water, the storm calms down. But before Jonah dies, a large fish comes and swallows him. It didn't kill him, it was trying to save him. Inside the dark, disgusting stomach, Jonah finally prays, "God, I'm sorry. If you give me another chance, I'll listen." After 3 days, the fish finally spits Jonah into the shore. He's covered in slime and smells disgusting, but he's alive and this time he listens to God. He goes to Nineveh, he gives the message of God, and the people in Nineveh stops their evil acts. Jonah thought he could run away from God, but God chased him to the ocean to find him.